Good morning, children. Today, our topic of discussion is how to measure a line segment. As I have told you that you can draw a line segment on your notebook, you can measure the length of line segment only. So, today we'll study about how to measure the line segment. Suppose this is a line segment drawn and you have to find out the length of this line segment. What you will have to do, keep the scale along the line segment so that its zero mark matches with point R. You have to keep your scale, that is zero of your scale at R, and then read the mark on the scale at the other end. Keep your scale along the line segment and keep 0 at R. Then read the mark of the on the scale at the other end of the line segment. Point S, your point S matches with the reading 8. So the length of this line segment is 8 centimeter. In this way, you are going to measure the length of line segment. The second thing which we are going to do today is drawing a line segment. Now, how to draw a line segment? Suppose you are asked to draw a line segment of length 5 centimeter. What you have to do, mark a point A with a sharp pencil. Keep the scale with its 0 mark at A. Where you have marked a point A, keep 0 of your scale at that point. Then starting at point A, move the pencil along the edge of the scale to draw a line segment AB of required length. अगर आपको 2 सेंटीमीटर का चाहिए तो you will keep your pencil here and keep your scale at point A. 0 point should be there at point A. Then draw a line, like suppose you have to draw a line segment of 3, just stop here at 3. If you want to draw a line segment of 4 centimeter, starting from 0, you will draw a line till 4 centimeter. So in this way, you will draw the line segment. Let's start exercise 8.2. Measure the following line segments and write their length. See, this is our scale. You will keep 0 of your scale. Here I have 0, 1, 2. You can see my scale. So I'll keep 0 at starting point, that is C. Keep 0 at starting point, that is C. Now, in this way, you can easily measure the line segment. This is 6 centimeter, right? 6 centimeter. You can write here 6 centimeter. Now look at next line segment, that is EF. Keep 0 of your scale at E and read the other side of marking at other side of the scale. Here it is 0. The other side is at 7. So the length of line segment EF is 7 centimeter. It is 7 centimeter. Third is RS. Keep 0 of your scale at R and read the marking at point S. This is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Okay. So you can write it here also. So what is the length of CD? It is 6 centimeter. As you can see here, the scale has total markings of 15 and the unit here is the length of the scale is in centimeters. So we have to write 6 centimeter. EF is 7 centimeter and RS we measured is 3 centimeter. Next B question is measure the sides of the given shapes and write their lengths. Now you have to measure each side of this figure and write the length of like PQ. PQ is this line segment. You have to measure it by using scale. Keep 0 of your scale at P and measure this line segment, it is exactly 5 centimeter. You can see, right? So it is exactly 5 centimeter. The length of PQ is 5 centimeter, right? Same way we'll measure the length of this. We'll write here PQ is 5 centimeter. Now measure this line segment. Keep 0 again at P. Next is QR. Sorry, we'll measure the line segment QR first. Keep your 0 of your scale at Q and read the marking at R. It is 3. So the length of QR is 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. Now RS. RS is this line segment. RS is this line segment. So now you have to measure RS. Keep 0 of your scale at S and measure this. This is exactly 5 centimeter. So RS is again 5 centimeter. Now you have to measure the line segment SP. As in the last we have SP. So the line segment of SP is, you can easily see, this is 3 centimeter. So the length of PS is, SP is 3 centimeter. It can be read as SP or PS, RS or SR, same thing, right? Now in question number 2, this is a square given. The shape is like a square. You have to measure the line segments AB, this is AB, then BC, CD and DA. So keep your 0 first for measuring the length of AB. Keep your 0 at A. Keep your 0 at A of the scale and read the marking at point B. It is 3. So the line segment, the length of this line segment AB is 3 centimeter. So write it here as 3 centimeter. Next is BC. Now we have to measure BC. Keep 0 of your scale at B and measure it. It is also 3 centimeter, right? It is also 3 centimeter. So the length of BC is also 3 centimeter. Now you have to measure the length of CD. Here it is CD. Keep 0 of your scale at D and the length of CD is again 3 centimeter. Let us measure the length of DA. Keep 0 at A and read the marking at D. It is 3 again. So all the line segments of this square are equal. CD is also 3 and DA is also 3 centimeter. Like this you have to measure. Now come to third part. Here you have to measure, this is a triangle, it has made up of 3 line segments, LM this one, MN this one and NL this one. So you have to measure the line segments. Let us measure first LN. Keep your 0 at L and like this measure this line segment. It is 5 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter. So the length of LM is 5 centimeter. Right? You can write it here also 5. Next is MN. Measure this line segment. Keep 0 at N and measure it. It is 4. And if I have to measure LN, this is 3. So MN is 4 centimeter and NL is 3 centimeter. In this way you will measure the line segments. Now the last question is draw a line segment of the given length. AB is 7 centimeter. You have to mark a point A right here on the paper and keep your scale along like this and draw a line till 7 on your scale. Because you have to draw a line segment AB equals to 7 centimeter. First mark a point A, then draw a line till 7 So you'll get a line segment of 7 centimeter. Same way MN is 6 centimeter. First mark a point M on the paper. Keep your 0 at M. 0 पर आप M पर 0 रखिए and draw a line till 6. So this is the line segment of 6 centimeter. Now RS is 5 centimeter. Mark a point R on the paper. Keep 0 of your scale on R and draw a line till 5. So this is the line segment. You will get RS equal to 5 centimeter. Same with PQ. Mark a point P on the paper. Then keep your 0 of the scale at P and draw a line till 10. So the line segment which you will get here PQ, that is of 10 centimeter. Thank you and have a nice day. Complete your work in your notebook. You have to do only question C in your notebook. Rest all questions you will do in your book. Thank you.